Good morning, everybody. I know that I've been scarce on YouTube in the past week or so. However, it's because I have a crazy packed, epic lineup of antique malls coming up in the next weeks. So it will be a few days before those videos start posting. However, in the meantime, I'm here in Hummelstown, Pennsylvania at the old factory, and I'm excited to be back and see what we can find. Let's go in. First thing I see is this incredible nail art piece. I love that with the tiny blue vase. That's at 28 and 10%. That's probably pretty close. And one of these nice Italian frames. I used to find those all the time for like nothing. I don't see them that much anymore. Fun little older bunny rabbit Polto. I love his character. Some beaded fruit hiding in here. That's a fun bag, very summery. Well, I love the little rock frog, but I'm more curious in this paperweight. Oxford, interesting. Fun lucite. And then this face up here almost looks like Rosenthal. Kaiser, very similar. 18, that's so pretty. It's a really good deal, actually. I'm not sure how well that would do for me. I've had a couple Kaiser vases, and they've, some have gone really high, and some have kind of flopped. That's fun. That looks like Otajiri almost. It is. With the shell. Stack of bangles here. I'm in the depths of this booth. Kind of chaotic. Oh my gosh, look at this. So fun. I love like realistic fun food stuff. Or just like kind of whimsical, realistic, playful anything, I guess. This is a fun little stuffed cat beanbag. A whole lampshade full of pins. See, ooh, I like the enamel over copper one here. $8 on, oh no, that's the vendor number. The actual price is $5.99. That's a nice one. What else do they have on here? It's a little sweetheart brooch made out of buttons. That's cute. You guys know I'm going through a massive button phase right now. Kind of obsessed. It makes sense though, because I like all the tiny things. Now this is a really neat ashtray, so mid-century. Check that out. How cool is that with the horse? If that was for me at 25, I wouldn't think twice. I think that's a good deal, but I think once fees and stuff get into it, it's a little close for resale. Awesome enameled flower lot here. $20 in the vase. That's actually a pretty good deal. So pretty. Is this one of the Franklin Mint? Yeah, Franklin Mint. So pretty though. I love the metal bouquet. Oh my gosh, and this fun little coin pouch. How much is this one? This one is $5. I love the candy dot. For $5. This is kind of different. A bowl of babies. That's kind of fun. What is happening here? Is this a giant crab outfit? Crab costume. That's too funny. Jimmy needs that for bulk jewelry. Oh my gosh, look at this. Freaking incredible. Is this Italian or Japanese? Made to look Italian. It's Japanese, as is hairline crack. I mean, that's like, how bad is it? Because this is pretty incredible. Because it looks like it's just a tiny thing on the bottom. I don't know, that material is kind of like a paper thin. Do I want to ship this? Is it no, it's actually, no, it's really bad. It goes all the way up. Oh, that's such a shame. Freaking love that thing. I love that style. And I feel like the Japanese version of the Italian pottery does almost just as well. This booth is like vomiting Legos, but look at this. Italian, nice blue decanter, $18. What a deal. Oh, but look what we have here. The little red polka dot lamb, $4. That's pretty hard to come by. What a great deal. And a lot of the times the red paint is all messed up. Definitely gonna be grabbing this. Speaking of coin purses, check out this one made to look like a teepee. That is so cute. Vintage. I thought it was a birthday hat almost. $4. I'll take that. Now, I've been having a great time in the cases here. 50%. Oh, not this shelf, just that shelf. Okay, that can be confusing when there's multiple vendors in a shelf. Still, look at that fun clamper bracelet. Can't see what the tag says on it, but we might have to get in here. Let's see what other things they have. I've been pulling some amazing stuff from the cases. I love this kind of Art Deco style necklace. That's only $3. Oh my gosh, look at the lucite bow hair clip. That is so cute, $15. I feel like I could get away with that. That's pretty spectacular. Well, I just turned around and holy cow, talk about feeling targeted. First of all, we need to get in their bangle rack. I love this vendor, she's so awesome. Some really nice Ellie Smith in there. I can't see the price on that smaller one, but it looks like it's a good price. $150 on the picture. Oh my gosh, look at the giant lucite rooster. Oh my gosh, these are phenomenal. $150 on the pedestal back there. Oh, $125 on the blue. All really good prices. We're gonna go to her other booth at an antique mall down the street later. Oh man, the flower curtain backs are only $5. The alligator's $10. All right, we're getting in this case. Oh my gosh. And hey, look at Kelly's Fun case. This is the lady at Antique Marketplace who does my eyeglasses. I love the cat eye, more Christian Dior. These are fantastic, these new old stock French glasses. Well, this is the case I was waiting for. I'm so excited to get in here. Wow, they have some amazing jewelry. I love the red Bakelite horse back there. Oh my gosh, the cherries. $80 on the cherries. I wonder if, I feel like there's a little room. The micro mosaic earrings. I love the big cherries. I think I'm gonna have to get those. And wow, look at all the bangles back there. Beautiful. The sweetheart, that looks like sterling maybe. Big pink flower brooch at $7. We're gonna grab that. I love the enamel over a copper bracelet. Wow, there's so many incredible things in here. Dude, at first I was like, oh my God, what is that cat? And then I was like, oh, it's contemporary. But now I'm like, is that artist made? Allen Design. Interesting. I might have to check that out too. That is so cool. So it is very contemporary. You can buy one on Amazon right now for $40, 45, excuse me. So I would say if that was for myself, I wouldn't think twice, but I think for resale, for something you can get actively on Amazon even for a little less. Once I account for the packing and everything, it's not for me, but it's pretty fantastic. Well, I ended up getting a bunch of stuff out of that case. She did end up giving me 10% off on the cherries, so I grabbed them, and I've moved on to the second level. Oh my gosh, this check vase. I feel like this got me last time. Oh, that's so pretty. Yeah, $70. Absolutely gorgeous. I love how dainty that is. And what do we have here? Big old bangle bag. $10. A lot of contemporary ones, but there's some fun 80s and applied polka dots in there. A little too much paint loss for me on the polka dots to get excited though. Oh my gosh, look at this fish. That is so funny. Lennox, that's kind of different. I wasn't expecting that. Well, it's $6, so I can't lose. It's got a great look about it, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up. All kinds of fun jewelry scattered in here. Some bangles, that's kind of wild, the wood one. I don't do a lot of wood, but that one's pretty neat. I like the way this vendor sells their buttons. I feel like the boards are fun, but it always like tears up my nails trying to get them off. That seems way easier. Are these freaking pencil clips? Dude, what? How fun, what a great idea. There's just hot glued little pencils on clips. So here we have something interesting. That's really pretty. But it's this Italian looking one that really catches my eye. That is fantastic. $15? I don't know if I want to ship it, but that's pretty fantastic for sure. Beautiful Victorian. Now we're talking. Check this guy out. How fantastic. $5 on the early plastic leprechaun brooch. So good. Look at this blue bangle. That's fun. It looks almost like Sarah Coventry. Bakelite bracelet, $20. Unfortunately, this is definitely not Bakelite. Oh my gosh, I love this lamp. Check this mid-century piece out. That is phenomenal. That's a good price for the whole thing, including the fiberglass shade. So this is gonna be BMA's other booth in here. Oh boy. I feel like I don't want to miss anything. She always has such fun stuff. And her prices are really good too. Oh my gosh, like look at this piggy bank. That is too funny. Oh, another phenomenal fish. Kissy fish, so cute. I know it's contemporary, but it's really fun. And then poodle planter. God knows, I have enough poodles right now. What do we have here? Vintage glitter, epic. Oh, look at the sequin parrot patch. That's great. And here, all kinds of glass. Look at the Viking drape. I'm assuming that's what that is. Yeah, Viking drape 110. Really nice. Ooh, I love the green one, especially with this wall art next to it. $280. That's a really good one. And the mid-century parakeet lamp. You can see where my head's at. Mirror. A whole bucket full of tiny stuff. My favorite. Okay, check these guys out. $15 for the pair. That's not a bad deal. They're about $15 each, usually, easily. All right, one more floor to go. Oh, these are so cute. Jack and Jill, Mother Goose. Love nursery rhyme stuff. And then here, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Cake topper set. Not showing it very well, sorry. And what do we have here? Crocheted mini doll ornaments, $10. Dude, are those the ones made in Japan? They look like they are. I'm gonna have to get those. Beautiful enamel over copper trinket box. Whoa, 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 whoa. What do we have here? Libby. Oh, I thought, you know, it's so funny. The Stelvia Wayne Husted or the Blanco daisy design always reminds me of this Libby. $25 on the picture. That's really nice, but can't do that with the packing materials and all. I love the daisy pattern though. Giant appears to be check glass. It says Westmoreland Beehive. Interesting. It looks check. I don't know enough to know. Probably Westmoreland. They probably know what they're talking about better than I do. Behind me though, look at this cloth picture book for toys. That is so cute. It almost looks like it takes 3D glasses. I might take that out of the plastic right quick. Gosh, I love the graphic on that so much. That is so cute. 50% off in this booth. Maybe they're doing some kind of rearranging. They used to have like all kinds of weird oddities and stuff in this booth. Maybe it's a different vendor that moved in here. This is an intriguing piece. What is going on here? That is very unusual. Hand-blown glass vase. That is definitely different. Seems experimental. Oh, I see a little raccoon on the other side. This booth has a lot going on in it. Look at the puzzle. Who is that, Uncle Wiggily? Oh yeah, it's the nursery rhymes made in Western Germany. That is so fun. It's kind of falling apart a little bit, but it looks like it's got all the blocks for $5. I don't think I mind that the box is in two pieces. So cute. Well, I got a fun little box of tiny stuff, and I'm gonna go down the road to Treasures on Main. I'll see you guys there. And I'm back straight through the alley on Main Street in Hummelstown, Pennsylvania is Treasures on Main. Let's go find some. Holy cow, first of all, this looks like Fenton. Look at that crazy Fenton vase. Wild. Oh my gosh. Let's see if we can use our camera to see what the tag says. No, that's not gonna happen. It's too big. Cute little cat planter. I'm a little surprised to see it looks like my favorite vendor here is no longer. That was BMA. She's got the booth at Old Factory. Oh my gosh, how cute. But maybe we'll still be able to find something. I always like this booth too. A lot of eclectic things. That's a nice one. This looks Italian. Made in England. Similar. Some paperweights. That's an interesting one. Looks like an import. That's really pretty. Glass Eye Studio. Oh wow, look at this one. Another Glass Eye Studio. The flowers are so dainty. Ooh, that looks like Orient and Flume. That's gorgeous. It is. No, it's not. Zalique Studios. Well, that's really pretty for $22. I feel like we can do something with that for sure. The flower's really nice in the egg. Definitely most excited about the Zalique though. It's a good deal. And then a cat in a basket. Is this a bank or a planter? Bank. A little bit of paintware, but nothing bad. Crazy puppet situation happening here. Look at the marionettes. That one's super old. This one though, this is spectacular. I wonder how well that would do. Usually puppets don't do well, but that one's pretty special. Oh gosh, I'm holding too much in my hands. And that's so cute. $6 on the little green deer, I'll take that. Well, this is by far the most exciting thing. This little Parisian figurine. Was it Italian or Parisian? Is it Zambiva? I guess it's Italian. That is too cute. Oh my gosh, sorry. I'm having such a hard time. I should have grabbed a basket. All right, I dropped my stuff off at the front. This is gonna be really hard not to keep, but this has to come with me. That is so freaking special. And another really fun candy dot purse. I love that it's got the fringe, $12. How's the lining? Looks all right to me. That is too fun. The ones with the fringe usually do even better for me. Well, even though BMA moved out, I still found some great things, and I'm gonna call it a day. I'll see you guys in a couple days. Don't forget, even though I've had a couple scarce weeks on YouTube, it's coming. There's gonna be some amazing adventures in my future. See you there. Bye.